Verifying your Coinbase account involves several steps to ensure security and compliance with regulations. Here's a concise guide. Sign up. Visit the Coinbase website or app and sign up by providing your email address and creating a password. Confirm your email address by clicking the verification link sent to your inbox. Verify phone number. Log into your Coinbase account, go to Settings and select Phone Number. Enter your phone number and click Send Code. Enter the verification code received via SMS to confirm your phone number. Complete identity verification. Go to the Settings or Identity Verification section. Coinbase will ask for a government-issued ID. Upload clear, well-lit images of your ID, including a selfie if requested. Ensure the ID is valid and not expired. Add payment method. To fully verify your account, add and verify a payment method. This can be a bank account or credit or debit card. Coinbase may perform a small verification transaction to confirm the account details. Wait for approval. Coinbase will review your submitted documents and information. This process can take a few minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification once your account is fully verified.